Hey there, sunshine! Today I have something so exciting to share with you all, and that is the Kat Von D Influenster box that I received. I'm so excited to have this in my hands. I'm so excited. But for those of you who do not know, Influenster is a company that you can sign up for, connect your social media profiles to, and you earn free makeup basically. I did a video to that. I will have that video pop up here, and I will have it in my suggested videos and in my description box if you want to check that out. But you can be anybody from any background, from anywhere, except outside the US apparently. I'm sorry for those of you who view my channel and are outside the US, but I think there might be something equivalent to this outside the US, but I'm not exactly sure. This is US only, but if you are in the US from any background with any following on social media, you can totally sign up for Influenster. So let's see what I got in my Kat Von D box. Oh girl, she slay in this one. Oh, look how I think this is so pretty. Look at, I love the contrast of the black and the white and the orange and the yellow. I think that is so pretty. So I got a little card inside and it says, "Kiss me all over." Okay. Studded Kiss cream lipstick, vegan and cruelty free. And then it just says, shows me all of the different shades that Kat Von D is offering with her new formula for Studded Kiss. I think this is really cool. I have some Kat Von D lipsticks, but for some reason whenever I go to Sephora, I can never find Lolita. And I never can find testers of it, and I can never actually find Lolita. So I definitely want to, I'm still trying, and I want to try it on when I'm in store, you know, with like the applicators they have. I don't want to buy it online. So I would think this would be really cool to, if I received it. But yeah, I'm really excited just in general, and I love all the different shades that she's offering. So inside here is the product that I received, and I love the yellow tissue paper. I think that is so cool. So this is the packaging. I love the texture to the packaging. I think that's just so fun. But I got shade Lovecraft. Here is what that looks like. So I'm really excited. Let's see what it looks like on me. In order to continue receiving free products from Influencer, you do have to leave reviews. I love the, is this supposed to like match the color of the lipstick? Okay, I don't know, but this is the inside of the, like the inside color of the box. And then here's the lipstick. The lipstick is studded, and that is so cool. I've never seen this. This is so cool. And then it has Kat Von D, her logo on top. And this is again shade Lovecraft, and here's the little sticker on the bottom. So let's roll it up and see what it looks like. I don't have any lipstick on. I only have some eyeshadow because I just did an Ipsy unbagging. So I'm going to grab myself a mirror and we're gonna put this on. So let's see. First we're gonna smell it. Whoa! Whoa, oh my god, have you guys ever tried or ever been around or ever tested or anything like that? The Tarte Make Believe in Yourself palette, the eyeshadow palette, but the highlighter inside that eyeshadow palette, because the highlighter inside that palette smells like marshmallows. And this definitely has a very vanilla buttercream kind of marshmallowy scent, which I think is freaking bomb. If you roll it all the way up, it has her logo again, which I think is rad. And I think this is so pretty, and I kind of almost don't want to swatch it. Like, I don't want to use it because it's so gorgeous looking. But we're going to test it. We're going to see what it looks like. So that is gorgeous. That is so pretty. That was really easy to apply. I feel like it kind of is a little contrasting with the eye color that I have on. But this is, first of all, I can still smell the vanilla buttercream marshmallowy scent that I was talking about. And it's vegan and it's cruelty free, which is even better. And I know it's really hard to find vegan pigments that are red or pink, because people who don't use vegan products, even with food coloring, they actually find these beetles and they smush them up, and the beetle produces a red pigment that is safe for, you know, food grade, and it's cosmetic grade safe. In case you guys didn't know that, that's a little fun fact. But I think it's really cool that she was able to produce this pretty color, and her line has a bunch of reds while it being vegan. So this is really pretty. I want to see if it's kiss proof, so we're gonna take a clean back of my hand. Nope, it's not kiss proof. It didn't. But look, Like there's still a lot on. It still doesn't look like I just, you know, kissed my hand. There's still a lot on. This is very pretty. I like how it feels on my lips. It's not heavy, it's not drying feeling, but it does definitely feel like a creamy lipstick. I know this is a new formula, so I'm excited to see how it wears. But I just wanted to do this quick unboxing. I just wanted to share that with you all because it's really exciting to see all the things that you can get when you put yourself out there and when you sign up for Influenster. This isn't sponsored. I did receive that product free from Influenster in exchange for a review. But that's it, and I wanted to share that with you all because I was really excited about receiving something from Kat Von D's campaign with Influenster. So I wanted to share that with you all. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.